Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to disable the temporary membership option in your Discord server. If you've noticed that new members are automatically being removed when they go offline, it's likely because this feature is turned on. Don't worry, turning it off only takes a few quick steps. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin privileges for the server you want to change. Once you're in, head over to your server list on the left side of the screen and select the server you want to edit. After opening your server, tap on the server's name at the very top of the screen. This is where you'll find the main settings and various server management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Invite. This will take you to your server's invitation settings. Next, tap on Edit Invite Link. This is the section that controls how new members join and what rules apply to them. Here, you'll see a toggle called Temporary Membership. When this is enabled, any users who join your server through an invite link are automatically removed when they go offline unless they receive a permanent role. To disable it, simply toggle off the temporary membership option. Once it's off, new members who join your server will stay even after they go offline. This is great for building a lasting community and ensuring that no one unintentionally gets removed. Finally, don't forget to tap Save to confirm your changes.